Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, can you choose your own ads to go on your YouTube videos? So I get this question all the time, people asking, if they can choose the specific ads to go on their videos. And in short, no, you cannot choose the actual ads from specific companies and brands, but you can choose the type of ad, and there are different types of ads, and I'll show you them in a second. And you can also do SEO, which stands for Search Engine Optimization, and that can attract certain types of brands to advertise on your videos. Okay, so first thing is I'm here in the videos tab of our YouTube channel, and I'm going to just choose like this video, and I'll head over to the monetization tab. And these are the types of ads that you can choose to go on your videos. And when I'm personally choosing the monetization, I turn it on, and I also turn on all kinds of ads. I put them all on, and you can see that these are the different kinds. So there's the display ads, overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video ads, and the non-skippable video ads. They show a quick little thing here of where the ads actually are. These ones are on the side. These are not, these are just clickable ads, so that you'll see them on the side of your videos. These ones are the ones that pop up during. It's also a picture. These are also a clickable type of ad. And then these two here at the bottom are the actual videos that play. Most people will recognize these kinds of ads. These play at the beginning, at the middle, and at the end of your videos. And these ones, the non-skippable ones, are the really short ones. So they're usually about 6 seconds, and they're very quick type ads. These ones, the skippable ones, can be minutes long. And after a certain amount of seconds, you can skip them. So like I said, you can choose to have these show up on your videos. Now, just because you click all of them doesn't mean that they're all gonna show up on your videos. YouTube has a whole thing of algorithm and a certain amount of clicks on a video, so these may or may not show up on your video. But if you have them all checked, then you do have a higher increased potential to earn more ad revenue. So that's why we turn all of them on. Now, if you scroll down here, you can also check before video, during video, and after. These are also all checked for us. The during part will only happen if the videos are longer than 10 minutes. In the future, in about a month or so, this will go down to 8 minutes. So your videos will now be monetized at 8 minutes or longer for the mid-roll ads. Now I've got a incognito window open, and it's on our YouTube channel. And I mentioned earlier that if you are doing proper SEO, you can get certain types of ads show up on your video. So our channel is about money, marketing, and mindset. So a lot of entrepreneurs and businessy type stuff, those are the kind of ads that get shown on our videos because we've done proper SEO, search engine optimization, to make our videos searchable. When you make your videos searchable to be found, advertisers can choose to place ads on your videos. And you want to make your videos searchable so that they can be found both by viewer and by advertiser. Because if they can be found by the viewers, then the advertiser wants to put their ads on your videos, therefore increasing your potential for more ad revenue. So I'm just going to randomly click on some of the videos here, and let's see what types of ads show up on our videos. So like I said, I'm in an incognito window, which means I'm not signed in or anything. So let's open up some videos and see what kind of ads show up.
Hey you, the creator who sees the...
Okay, so this right here, this is for websites. This is a website ad, and this is the skippable ad because it was more than a minute long, and I can choose to skip this ad, and there's actually going to be another ad playing after this one. Let's do this one. This one was a vlog. So we were hiking here in North Vancouver, so let's see what kind of videos show up for that one. No ads so far. See, sometimes videos, it's all based on their algorithm. Oh, here we go. Here's an ad. So this one right here, you can see it's related to traveling, hiking, that kind of thing. It's about RVs. So it's called the RV Marketplace. And you can see that it's related to this video. It's about hiking, traveling, that kind of thing. And it's one of those picture ones that pop up on the top of your video, and you can click X to exit out of the ad. So let's see if there are any other ads that play. Oh, there's about to be an ad in a couple seconds here. This one is a Wix ad. So Wix is a big advertiser. They pay a lot of money to advertise on all kinds of videos. They're hitting the market in all over the place. Let's see this video here. This is when I interviewed William Hung from American Idol. I'm curious to see what kind of ads will show up on that video. Alright, so far no ads initially. Oh, there we go. So this one right here is life insurance. It seems to be for Canadians. In this video, we were talking about, life choices and when certain things happen in your life, what are you going to do about it? If you're going to look at it half full, the glass half full or half empty. So we were doing a lot of life talk in this video. Alright, so to summarize, you cannot choose specifically exactly what ads show up on your videos. You can choose the type of ads, and if you want them to possibly appear at the beginning, middle, or end. But as you saw, even if you choose everything, it's based off of YouTube's algorithm, so they might show for that video, they might show for another video. It all depends on the person viewing, how many other videos they've watched. You don't always put ads for the viewer for every single type of video. If you know SEO, which is search engine optimization, you can title and tag your videos in a certain way so that people who are running custom ads and they're related to those videos, they can run ads on your videos. It's in the advertiser's best interest that they put ads that are related to the video, because then that makes it easier for the sale. For an advertiser, the more related the ad is to the video, the easier it is for them to relate to that viewer and potentially sell them on the product or service. So if you want to earn more YouTube Google ad revenue, I highly recommend that you get good at SEO and that you practice it and you do it on your videos. If you guys are interested in learning about SEO, my business partner Urit, she does all of the SEO for our YouTube channel, and we have a course on how to rank your videos higher in YouTube search using a tool called TubeBuddy. And this is a course where she dives deep and shows you exactly how we are able to rank our videos on the first page, oftentimes number 1 and 2 for search terms in Google and on YouTube. And when you can do this, not only will you get more views, but you also have potential to get more ad revenue. So if you guys want to check this course out, it's $47. You guys can head down to the description below. I will have a link for you guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.